Yeah, so to get this party started, first of all, I picked up some loose paper. It used to be, it seems like a milk liter container that probably some apes ripped apart. So I'm just going to use that to start the fire with, and my big lighter. Just going to drop that down the chimney. Still burning there. Oh, there, I nearly killed it, but it's still going. And then all I'm going to do is just to put some of these small twigs down the stovepipe to get that burning. And as soon as that is burning, I can then switch to the bottom to feed it from the bottom and keep it going. So as you can see, there we go. I hope you can see it, but in any case, you can see the smoke coming out now. It has started. So I'm just going to switch over to the bottom part of it, and then let's get some water boiling.